All right, so this is an '04 Honda 450 Foreman. Cylinder was smoked on it. I got it right here. I was just ran without oil a bunch of times until it just wasn't sealing. It was burning a lot of oil. So you could tell the piston's pretty much still on the cylinder. She ain't looking too hot. So I'll get a new top end for it. The valves look pretty good. They were still sealed. I put new valve seals on them. The seals were leaking. But the valves themselves were okay. So it's got a new piston, new cylinder, and valve seals and gaskets. So should be good. I'm gonna attempt to start this thing up. This will be the second first start in the week. I just got that one going as well. All right. Good old Honda. Well, don't look like it's a natural bug deterrer anymore, so that's good. This thing was billowing out smoke. Looks good. Sounds pretty good. Yeah. Well, looks like a successful rebuild. Only had a few spare parts. Couldn't figure out where the fuck they went. So yeah, those are there. I didn't see anything that looked like that when I took it off, so I'm guessing it's for the cam chain tensioner and shit. But I didn't even have to remove it. It's in the bottom end on these, and I didn't even have to go in there at all. So it must be something for that, or for these oil lines, or I don't know. I know for whatever it was, I didn't need it. So yeah, here we go.